Horses out. We have Zibazib. Gets away immediately. Moving up party out. So now Misteriosa. Red Soldier. Then followed by AJ Special. Petrus Blanc. Gusto ko. Happy ka. Alongside Gold Baron. Down on the inside is Capitanaco. And Kiss Me Gently trails the field. Into the turn they gallop. We have Zibazib. The leader by Oralenka. And in second now is AJ Special. Red Soldier is racing in third. Capitanaco now moving up to take port. Moving up on the outside now is Misteriosa together with Gold Baron. Petrus Blanc, Gusto Ko, Happy Ka, and Kiss Me Gently. And nearing the partner, that's still Sibasi by Aralenka. AJ Special still in second, and in third, Petrus Blanca. Gold Baron now trying to get closer in port. Down on the inside, Pip, Red Soldier. Misteriosa, Capitanaco, Kiss Me Gently, and Gusto Ko, Happy Ka. Now racing in Lasas, they come down at the last 200. AJ Special still in front. Red Soldier is lifting down on the inside. Petrus Blanc moving up on the outside is Gold Baron. Kiss Me Gently. Red Soldier now takes the lead. AJ Special. Petrus Blanc. Kiss Me Gently. And finally, Red Soldier. Second, Petrus Blanc. Kiss Me Gently. AJ Special. Capitanaco.
Yado rin